Hello friends, today we'll be discussing about a new concept called as file handling. So what file handling is that we previously have done many programs where we have got the output, but we have never tried to store it into a file. So here we try to store the output into a file and we can use that later. So in these two programs, first one is to uh, convert a string or some records in a file of lowercase to uppercase in another file, and the next is to convert data of one file which is starting with a vowel to another file, so we can copy that with words which are starting with a vowel. So here is it. So since we are dealing with file handling, we need to include a library as fstream, and then we start from the main. Inside main we have start with the keyword ofstream. This indicates that we are trying to write something into the file in append mode. That's why it is iOS scope resolution operator app. The file name is first.txt. It's a txt format file, and we have an object write. So we take the record from the user into a string, and that through getLine function. And here, instead of cout, we gave the object as write greater than or what is it, left shift operator and the variable s. So through this statement we have written into the file, and we have to close that file. And as soon as we give this statement, the file is getting opened if available, or else a new file is being created. So after that, uh, we are trying to copy the words which are starting with vowel. So we call the function vowel word. In that, we need to open a file in read mode, and we need to open another file named as text.txt in write mode, because we need to identify the words which are starting with vowel and then copy that particular word along to second.txt. So using a while loop, we have reading every words of the first file. So since the object is read, through this we are reading it through this operator. So we read, if there is some record, it will give 1, that is we have accomplished the task of reading, and it is stored to a str string variable, and its first index or index value will be copied to a character variable, and that will be cross-checked whether it is a vowel or not. If it is a vowel, we are copying the particular word stored in str variable to the second file second.txt using the write operator. So this loop continues till the end of file. Once we finish that, we close both the file, and then we need to see what is left in the second file. For that, we open the second file in read mode using a object file, and we don't want to skip any white spaces. That's why it is file lesser than or greater than operator, no skip white space, no skip ws, and we are copying that to st, and then by character. St is a character variable, and we are reading it character by character and displaying it to the screen. Once that is over, we close the file. Now let's run this program and check. I have to enter I am fine. Now the content of the file is I am, and now let's close this, and again let's try to run. Let's type OK deal. and we'll get that I am that was there previously. We will go to the file called as second. It is there, I am, and then we have I am fine, and since this was combined as one word we didn't get okay, so if we give a space that would be fine. And now let's see the second program, uh, upper.cpp. In this we are trying to convert the word or what the string is there to uppercase and copy those things to a new file. So here, as usual, as we have seen in the first program, we have read or we have written into the first file, and then we are trying to see and convert it into a uppercase. So here there is a function called as read.isOpen. So read is an object of ifstream mode. So if the file is open, it will give 1, and we will get that file is open. And then we are reading by word, and we convert each character to uppercase using the function toUpper, and then we write it into the second file upper.txt. Upper is the object of the second stream, and then we give space as well. This is what we lacked in the previous program, so that is there. And then the second file content would be read through the same what we have used in the first program. So here we read each word from its 0th index to its length. So str is the variable that we are taking the word which is read, and its length is found out, and each character from 0 to its length is converted to uppercase and it is written. So let's run this program and check. So I'm writing Happy New Year, and this is in lowercase. Now the file is open, it contains Happy New Year, and let's close this and write something else, and let's see whether we get Happy New Year. We'll write hello, and we'll get Happy New Year hello, and that's it. This program works successfully, and hope you understand file handling concepts. Thank you.